This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, recording this on August 28th with about 15 minutes before the market closed for August 29th, 2019. Let's take a look at the Nifty, which of course is closed and has been closed. Just want to show you that seems to be some type of a convergence. What do I mean by that? Okay, so notice we are trading below a downward declining 50-day moving average. And we are also trading below the 200-day moving average. So net, we can say momentum seems to be favoring sideways. Or we can even say that maybe there's another way of looking at this, which is we are stuck in this range here. And we don't know which way we are going to go until we break out or break down below this area where we've been trading over the last couple of weeks. In fact, for the entire month of August. So trading below the moving averages does suggest a little bit of a bias to the downside in the short term. Now notice a couple of things. On the daily, we can draw a line connecting RSI highs as such. And notice what happened when we came here, confirming that downward bias. Some type of resistance there on the RSI. We can draw also a line connecting with this break here. What we can do is extend that blue line. Notice how over time in this month of August, this has become an area of rejection on the daily RSI. And then we've gone above the blue line and back below it with uniform action. That tends to be a reversal signal. In other words, the daily RSI is confirming that slight bias in terms of resistance and pointing down. And we can see here on the hourly chart, we can also see similar lines if we take a look at the 2 hourly. Specifically, the 2 hourly here is what we are seeing. You can draw a line connecting recent RSI highs. And notice how this line became resistance here during that trading area. And prices did react with a move lower. We haven't been back to those levels. And this same line has become short-term resistance. So clearly this is the challenge here on the short term. If the market is to go higher, then we'd want to see a clear breakout above that RSI topside resistance line. Another way of looking at this is just consider where we broke down and we can see a line break in terms of a trend line break here. And we can use my uniformity method to try and gauge where the next short-term resistance would be in terms of price. And if I extend that line, you can see that on the 2 hourly we came and kissed that blue line, corresponding with this level here. And that is where prices were rejected in the short term. So clearly those two lines are short-term resistance. If the market is to go higher, it would need to clear those two lines. It would also need to clear the daily lines that we've discussed. Otherwise, for now, I can say we are stuck in this range, the range we've been trading for most of August. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. I am out. I shall be back in the next video. Just watch. I shall be back. Peace and blessings. ESCS.